the Festivite binge with this homemade detox paste. Hello friends! Before you start watching our video, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. We all know that the two most important ingredients to lose weight are a healthy diet and workout. However, there are some tricks, tips, and hacks that one can do along with diet and exercise to pace up their weight loss process. Most of these hacks are easy and work by boosting your metabolism and digestion, which are the first steps to lose weight. While there are plenty of fancy food items available in the market that claim to make you lose weight, how many of them actually work? Hardly any. To make weight loss easy for you, here we bring to you this easy homemade concoction, which requires only 5 ingredients that are easily available at your home. You can also store this paste in the fridge and use it as required. Ingredients. To make this 100% natural fat-burning mixture, you will need 250 grams of ginger, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, ½ cup of honey, 1 lemon, 10 whole black peppers. How to make. Take fresh ginger, peel it, and wash it thoroughly with warm water. Now dry the washed ginger with the help of a clean cloth. Cut the ginger into small pieces and put in the mixer grinder. Add 1 lemon juice, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 10 whole pepper to the ginger. Grind it together using a chutney grinder. Now take a jar and put ½ a cup of organic honey in it. Now add the ginger paste to it and mix well with the help of a spoon. Keep this in the fridge for 24 hours and it's ready to consume. How to consume. Consume 1 teaspoon daily on an empty stomach and 1 teaspoon 30 minutes before each meal. You can also have it before bedtime. So what's the results of this? You will start seeing changes in just 5 to 7 days. Apart from weight loss, this concoction helps to get rid of bad cholesterol, boost immunity, and is an excellent remedy for nausea, bloating, and indigestion. And if you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.